Okay, this video we're going to take a look at this chart for 2, 2, and 2. You can see I messed up once already, which is totally fine. So we're going to start, remember we're writing really small as we do this because it does need to fit into the box there. We're going to skip TO and we're going to go to TOO. For TOO, we have also or very are the two words that you can use to figure out if TOO is correct. For TWO, you say 3 because it's a number, and so if TO works, or TWO and TOO work. And this one's kind of a tricky one. It's kind of like if nothing else works. So when none of others work. Remember on the sheet we had that I listed out also very and 3 don't work. So basically this is your default one. So just check to see if it should be one of these, and if it doesn't need to be, then you can just use the regular, not the regular, but just TO. Okay. All right, good work.